in my normal day just to learn, but I would not have noted down all of this, and none of what I've learned would have got stuck with me. You know what I mean? So this is great. This is awesome. So what you do is, where is it? I'm not getting the option. Wait a second. Okay, maybe. Okay, it's interesting. Options, graphics. Well, normally I should see that icon here. This one I should see in the transcript, but something is missing. Wait, maybe I should select it. Weird. That's annoying. Pauses. Oh, come on now. Where is it? Okay, how to do this now? Okay, I'll Google it a little bit. Let's see. Gonna open YouTube. Why is it not showing up? So weird. Adobe Premiere. AutoCAD. What's this? Let's see. Is it not enough screen space, or what's the deal? Weird. Okay, wait, let me Google that. Transcript, Adobe Premiere Pro, transcript has no filter. See if I'm the only one with that issue. So obviously I'm not the only one. Let's see what other people are experiencing as well. Come on now, why do you need me signed in, Adobe? Come on, man. It's just so weird that you need me to sign in. It's really stupid. Okay. Come on now. Come on, Adobe, please. Get me out of here. Okay. I'm new to Premiere Pro, but I was transcribing audio. What did I say? It looks like you're using Pro 2023. The filter icon you described that allows you to bulk removal of pauses and more was added to Premiere Pro 2024. Okay, so what I will do is I will save this file, save this project. We'll go now to Adobe Creative Cloud. We'll uninstall 2023 and install 2024 version. Okay, so that is, at least we figured it out. Apps. Let's delete the Premiere Pro from, wait, which version is this one? I'm just gonna uninstall the thing. I don't know why Adobe just freaking, it installs every app twice. Like, why is this even a thing now? Remove, uninstall. Oh my god. Remove. This is so weird. I have like 4 After Effects. Oh my god, this is horrible. Remove. Wow, that's ridiculous. Remove. Yeah, there's 2 versions of each app. Like, why is this even a thing? Okay, so we need now. I'm just gonna keep the latest version of each app because I don't need the older version. Okay, we will install Premiere Pro. Uninstall. Matter. Why did it get so much more complicated, this app? It should have been easier. It used to be easier. Adobe Creative Cloud used to be much easier to navigate. Now it's like 3 clicks here, 4 clicks here. I thought AI should help our life, but damn, it seems like it's making people think less. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's working on it. Let's see. It's good enough for me. Let's keep going. So we had an issue here, right? With the explosion. They're definitely fighting each other a little bit. I wonder what is causing this now. Because you can see an area here, like about here, that is just not nice. No, not this. Yeah, I think it is this the reason. Because of it hitting the ground. And now, yeah. We need to make this way bigger. Not this, but this. Yeah. Look at it again. Yeah. And now it's less problematic. And the timing, the only issue. And maybe we should make it go big, like huge, like overshoot. Go to, and then we just make it like overshoot incredibly in the beginning. As it does that, it goes down also super fast. Let's see. Yeah, something of that nature. Let's see how that looks like. Yeah, it should go super quick, like 0.3. See how that looks like. I'm gonna install Premiere Pro. Such a weird thing to say. Let's restart. Yeah, I like it. It's way too big though. So we'll have to adjust the size up to, I don't know, 5. Let's see half of it, how big that would be. Yeah, maybe we could even play with it a little more, right? We can even make it happen before the... What is this playing? It has a delay of 1.3, right? So let's put this on 1, at 1. Let's see what happens if it's at 1. It's way too early. Okay, maybe the delay is a good idea, but... Okay, wait. No, 3, just this 3. Let's give this 1.2. What would happen if it's a slight delay like that? Okay, maybe we need it to play a bit longer. Just playing with things right now. Yay, it installed. Can open it. Is this 2024? Yes, it is. Okay, start lifetime. Yeah, lifetime need to be around 5 maybe. Let's see what happens. But it's, what is it? Like, what if I put this onto 5? Just gonna check on the project. Up the transcript state. Yes, it did stay. Make it smaller. Don't need so much screen space. And I will... Yeah, we have the filter thing. Okay, let's do this here, just so y'all see it. Okay, maybe it will take time to load. I don't know. Anyway, here we go to pauses. Now it selected it, and then we could delete it, and we could actually extract it. So we delete all. The difference between lift is that it will just delete it and it won't stitch your clip back. And if you delete it all and you have extract, it should do that for you. And now the computer will go nuts. Clicked it again. Oh no. Oh no. What is the status on that? Wait, let me check the task manager. Oh, wow. That was kind of fast. Okay, we have those gray areas in between. I wonder what that means. Oh, wow. Did it cut now? Yeah, it did cut. Oh my god. That's so many cuts. Okay, wow. Crazy. Just gotta check it out. Wow, it really cut everything. This is so cool that it just did that. And it made it into a... Oh my god! A 2-hour 45 from 6 hours. What the hell is going on? Wow, that's so cool. Oh, wow. Wow, okay, that's really worth it. I like it. Just let me render it. Let's learn, or Jack learns, whatever. What did I call it now? Jack learns, or let's learn? Let's learn VFX for games, episode 2. Yeah, okay. That's good. And we'll make it match everything. We'll send it to media encoder. Let's hope media encoder works. Of course, this is normally something I would do after the stream, not before. But, or not during the stream at least. But today's special. Today's different. I discovered that my laptop is super weak and it's fine this way. Oh, I just got a comment and I completely ignored it. I'm super sorry. Hi. Also, I think the idea for those two particles is that they both play and last the same amount of time as that is the bang of the... I do agree. I do agree with that. But what if the explosion happens in the sky first? Like, this is my thought behind it, right? Like, what if I make it very close to it? I'm not sure though anymore, because when I'm playing with the timing, when I'm playing with the lifetime, it's changing everything. So maybe I play with the lifetime of this one too, and see how it works together. But I kind of really, I don't know, I'm just leaning towards it being first, like the upper one. I'm leaning towards it being, or happening first, and I'm leaning towards it being a bit bigger. Let's see how it all plays out together. Thanks for your comment, by the way. Appreciate it. Yeah, okay. Bigger is not so good. Let's keep it into 5 for now. See how it works together. There's something that is not working for me. Yeah, okay, I think I know what it is. I think the particles are now happening way too late. So let's go with that being 0.2, because if they happen while the bigger explosion or the upper explosion is happening, nah, here we go. That's not good. Let's make that 0.5, 0.25, 1.25. What did I do? 1.8 here. Okay. It's quite, maybe we put it as a microsecond or after it. Let's see. And I feel like, because we made the explosion now bigger, we could allow it to go further. So the offset here could be less, even less. Like something of 1 maybe. Let's see how that works. Is this even changing anything? What does this do? 3 I forgot what this one does. Maybe no offset at all. What would happen? Kind of like this. Okay, the speed modifier. What does this do? Just wondering. Okay. Okay, so this is what is slowing it down. Let's see again. Woo! That's a lot. I mean, it works like an explosion, right? So let's see again. Yeah, okay. We maybe need the 0.6 to be the final value. Okay, now we play it all together. Oh my god, I got a rate. That's so cool. Thank you for the rate. It's crazy. Yeah. So we have that. I think they're going way too far away. What do we do about that? What do we do about that? Let's see. Restart that. That's way too big. Restart. I feel like this is way too big of a value. And let's go with 7. Because they're going way too far. Wait, was it the more? Okay. The more... Okay. So when it's closer to 0, it should go less further away. Okay. Let's try all of them together. Restart. Wow. Yeah, that's amazing. I kind of really like this. Okay, let's see it in perspective of a first-person shooter or like on the ground type of thing. I feel like the bank is too small for the particles right now. And I feel like the particles are way too huge. So what we could do is decrease the size. And that will be start speed, start size. Let's go with 3 to 5. 0.3 to 0.5. Let's do that again. It could use smaller particles actually. Let's go with something as small as that. How does that look like? Okay, let's just test it. Let's see how it looks like. They're way too small. Don't like it. 3 and let's go with 5. Let's see how that looks like. Maybe we had before. This is maybe accept. Let's see if I make some that are smaller. Yeah, okay. Let's see all together. Yeah, I feel like it's spreading way too much. What do you guys think? I feel like it could go further up. I wish I knew how to control it this way. Is there something with velocity I could do that makes it go upwards more? What happens if I put this into a 10 value? This size thing depends a lot on how it looks in an active scene with a camera. I agree. But like, wait, what did it do? Went to the left. Ah, yeah, it's true. The Y is there? That's a bit confusing. Because what happens if I put it now on 10? Yeah, the size thing just took... Oh, wow. Okay. That is kind of what I wanted to do. Cool. Okay, we will go back to that point. There's this max particle size thing here that confused me yesterday so much. Because... So this value can't go over that value, correct? And so if I make that a smaller value... Now we will see the particles going bigger, right? Maybe even a smaller value, like 0.1. We should see them bigger now. Or is it that the more I zoom in into the particles, maybe we should pause. Pause. Yeah. So what does this do? Is it that I could zoom in the particles, right? And we would need it, for example, for the beam on the ground, but we wouldn't necessarily need it here. Okay. I'm going into other places. Let's just go back to what we've done here with the Z. I think we've done something cool. Let's try 2 constants, 1 of 10 and 1 of 2, and let's restart it. Whoa, now it's doing all types of things. I think that 10 is anyway like way too much of a value for this. Let's play it again. So my issue now with the whole thing is it's getting way bigger than the initiated... like, how to say it, anticipation of it. Because the anticipation kind of... Okay, wait, let me pause this. Okay, so I'm going to take a screenshot. Let's see. You can draw on it. I'm actually just going to put it in pure ref. So we just see a direct examination of both. So, pure ref, okay? We have it here. Need to be a bit smaller. Maybe here. And now we will pause it again. Yeah, look, it's way too big. Okay, maybe I skipped the... Yeah, this is way bigger than the initial anticipation. But it's not fair of a comparison, I think. I mean, we could basically see it through the scale thing. See that it's covering around here. So if we restart it, okay, that's the maximum of the anticipation. It's basically over the red, or over the... I hope the scaling is not growing up with it. And I feel like the anticipation should show the size of the explosion before it happens. Okay, and now the particles are definitely way too small at the beginning. the in particles. I feel like they could use a faster value when they go in. So that's the start speed. It goes, it pauses a bit. Let's go with something. Wait, what happens if I put this whole thing into a 3? Yeah, kind of cool. What happens if I put that thing a bit lighter? It's not gonna help a bit or much actually. The orange. I like that the other particles are pausing, and I feel like we could even play with 2 colors, similar to the colors we chose for the particle. Question is, why is it not assigning those colors to different particles, or they are way too close to each other? Okay, wait. Maybe green like that. Okay, yeah, it's working kinda. I'm just gonna copy the same colors actually. Just give me that orange here. Give me that green. Paste it here. There we go. Restart. Yeah, they're doing this weird scaling thing at the beginning, and that is due to, what is that due to? Why is it doing that weird thing at the beginning? Wait, let's see the size over time. Maybe we can fix that a little bit. Why does it has the same graph? Okay, that's weird. Why did it go to 3 now? Did I just edit all the curves by just editing one? Oh, I edited the wrong one. Well, that's weird. Okay, I don't get the system that much. Like, I'm gonna put that back to 1. Does that mean now this is back to 1 or what? No, it's still 15. Okay, I will take those values up, those 2, restart this. Oh, I kind of like how they go upwards first. Oh, this is a nice side effect. Cool. I think the size could benefit from more, like 2 maybe. And that is why they're showing up in the beginning. So this needs to be on 0. I mean, like minus, but, or does it? Let me think about it a bit. I wonder how it works now together. It's kind of happening a bit too early. Am I not mistaken? It's a bit too early. So if it happens at 0.7, what would it look like? I think it's too late. Try 0.6. Okay, not together. Yeah, I kind of like that. All right, and now we play everything together. Oh, now it's like a whole different effect, especially that it's showing up in the beginning. And it's way bigger too. I feel like this here could be smaller because now it's way too big. And I feel like the explosion could use some overshoot values. At least the lower one. That's the upper one. Let's check the lower one. Let's see if we could make it overshoot in a better way. Let's make it overshoot this way. And let's see what happens. Okay, thank you. Let's make it restart. I kinda like it. Let's see. Play it all together. Okay, this is happening way too late. I can't stand it. It's way too late. I feel like it could go even longer. Let's see. Yeah, that's kind of cool, right? It's cool. Sometimes when you just edit that number, that one number, and then it's like, yes, hell yeah. Okay, but it can still use some more. I don't know, something is missing, right? What do you think is missing here? I feel like they're going way too slow. Real? It's still good. Well, maybe I should move on. Learn something new. Okay, we're gonna keep watching. They changed it to hemisphere. They did something different in the tutorial, but yeah, that's basically what I've done, similar to it, but it's more the result that they're having are something that goes this way, and what we have is something that goes like that. Okay, good idea is just to save everything. Ground beam, explosion, let's call this mushroom. I mean, it's not really a mushroom, but ground beam, explosion, up, just for us to know what's going on. And we will just override and apply all. Yeah. Okay. We have an effect, although there's a lot of things we could still improve on. But for now, I will accept this result that I came up with, or we came up with together. Audio. Yeah, I can't really show the audio because it's a purchased course and I don't have the permission to show it on the stream. So I will just explain my experience of learning throughout learning, basically. So, yeah, we'll go to the next. Yeah, no, that's what is missing for the oomph. What do you mean? That's what? The audio. Okay. That's cool, kind of. Wait, let's do it again with some audio. Yeah, it's maybe we could learn some effects in the future for to add some audio. Maybe you could recommend a course for me because I would love to learn some audio stuff in the future. So your first mesh, we'll finally now put some meshes. We have Blender. We're gonna just open it up. It's basically showing you how to download Blender, but I have it open here. If anyone is curious how we came up with those effects so far, because we've done this effect here. They're quite simple effects, but if you're curious, I'm currently rendering the video to upload it on my YouTube channel. Also check the Generalist. We have this effect here, which is like if like two objects collide together, you would have like a spark or maybe a hit. If a character hits another character, you get a hit like that. Let's see the other one. We have this thing here, which inspired the thing I just showed. It's basically with a little bit more anticipation in the beginning. Like where could you use this effect? Maybe, I don't know. I kind of just like to play with the anticipation here. You see that effect in animes a lot, right? When two characters are fighting in the dark, then the screen just goes black, and then it's just like you would see something happen visually, I guess. Let's enable this one. It's sparkle effect what we've done. We're working on. Very simple. I really like the what we've done here with the beam, like wielding kind of effect. I feel like the bounces could use more work. We've done it. I called it angelic beam. We're gonna look at it in a second. Just disable all of those for now. Save the scene. And this is the angelic beam. It's basically using the same default texture with our custom shader. What is it? Where is it? Yeah. No, not here. It doesn't matter. But basically, it's just this sphere. Not a sphere, it's a circle for gradient. And it's a very simple effect. But I can stare at this for hours. I don't know why. I really like it. Okay, that's what we created so far. We'll continue now because in the course now they show us how to Blender. I have some experience with Blender, so it's gonna be quite easy, quite fast. I guess we will just create a cylinder, such. But I will also watch the tutorial as we go. So yeah, we will create a cylinder. We will reduce the stuff here to 16. And yeah, okay, let's keep going. Okay, we will delete the upper part and the lower part. Understandable. So we will just go here, X faces, and control, just select all of them. I'll just put it like such. Let's see what else they do in the tutorial. Okay, let's just go a bit slower. I'm gonna put it on X2. Yeah. So yeah, basically, yeah, did the same thing. We make the thing a bit taller. Cylinder, just gonna make it a bit taller, like maybe 2 meters taller. Let's keep watching. What? Cylinder no top? Okay, so they name it to cylinder no top. Okay, that's fine for me. We're gonna keep going. Okay, so we will do a simple UV map, I guess. So I'm just gonna go with my guess. Again, this is how learning works for me. I need to do it on my own first. I fail, but that's not a problem. It's part of learning anyway. We will make a seam. Mark seam. We will select all and wrap. Yeah, it is on wrap. Okay, that's good enough. Let's see what else they do. The same oh, wait. They did something. Okay. So what they do is they take all those vertices here and they snap them all the way to the end here. Right there. Okay. That's kind of cool. All right. See here. We also, yeah, it is snapped. Just making sure that this is also snapped. Yeah, it's a bit over the end. Just make sure Wait, yeah, this is a better way to do it. Okay. We will save, I guess. We will save this into, wait, let me take this away. Downloads, whatever. Actually, let's make a folder for this project because it's gonna be a rather big project. I guess I like a more bigger than my personal project. We'll add a folder here in the documents. I'll call it VFXA or VFX playground because we're just trying different things, and we will go inside. We will save this as a cylinder or meshes or VFX. That's because I think we'll use that file again. Save Blender file. Let's keep going. Control-S, export as an FBX. That's good. Good thing I have a Unity exporter, so I'm gonna use that one. Export VFX, and then we'll just go to Unity export. We'll use the same file structure. That's good enough. Well, we'll call it a bit different. First of all, selected object is selected. That's good. We'll call it cylinder no top like they had it. And we'll just export that. And let's see what happens. Okay, so now I'm going a bit into an unknown territory, if you would say. Just let me render the video. You can still hear me, right? Everything is correct. Okay, good. Yeah, so I'm rendering the video, and I will import now that thingy we made now into the meshes. We have models. Yes, that's good. What is this? This is the backdrop. Okay, makes sense. Use the folder here. Go to the documents. Go to the VFX playground. Go to the go to meshes, and this one. We'll just import it. I try to test my knowledge now. Okay, model. We just have the Z as we have the other system from Blender, which we might have to re-export just to make sure that my exporter is correct. Let's export again. Or yeah, VFX, FBX, sorry. And we will change the Y up. Isn't that the correct one for Unity? I'll try Z up for now. Let's see how that will work in the import here. Let's delete this one again. Let's import it again. Still okay. Okay, they also have it the same. So I will just watch what they do with the model. So scale factor to 10, I think it's fair because I already have it in meter in Blender. That's amazing. It's so cool. I wonder if we need to put the shades to shade smooth. Let's see. So yeah, they basically duplicate the beam. Are they still using the same effect? Yeah, they're still using the same effect. So what we would do is we will duplicate the ground beam. Or wait. Oh, wait a second, back a bit more. Okay, I'm gonna reduce it to x1, x25. Wait, go back. So, duplicating beam ground, okay. Okay, so they basically duplicate here, this one. They rename it to cylinder, not a particle system anymore. Cylinder, the mesh though, cylinder. Let's keep just following for now. Things are not making sense for me, but eventually they will. Okay, so we need to select the mesh as the render mode. So we don't need it in the scene per se. We can actually get it out of here. Where is it? Come on now. Here it is. Okay. And we will make it into a mesh like here. And now I guess we take the cylinder. We put it, so not this one, what's inside of it. And we'll put it in the, wait, render here. Right. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, I don't see anything. Maybe I'm missing something. What am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing? One. Restart. I'm definitely missing something here. Something is not working properly. Maybe I should follow their export, not use mine. That's fine. Alright, so let's apply this mesh to our area of attack now. So the way we can do it by simply duplicate the file, and with meshes or 3D objects in the file position, we have to come down here to the renderer and select mesh as the renderer mode. Now we can assign the cylinder by simply dragging it around here like so. We have the cylinder in action. And at the moment it's applying the beam according to the UV maps we made. And it's also always facing the camera by coming here to the render alignment from view to local. Now it no longer follows along the camera. And by the way, roll aligns to roll. Okay, we'll go back. There was a weird chat thing. I'm not sure if it got blocked. I wanted to ban them, but yes, the thing is not working, so I will just keep going learning. Okay, we'll just go back to the export now and follow it step by step. Okay, let's go. Yes. Turn on selected objects, okay. Scale should be fine. Like, let's see. Can choose mesh. Where is it? Geometry, armature. Let's... Okay, here we go. Armature should go away. That should be it. Okay, I'll export it again and see what happens. Okay. And now we will go back to Unity. Here we are. And we will delete this again. Delete this. Let's do everything from the beginning. Doesn't matter. We put it here. Let's see again. Import animation. We don't need that. Apply. Materials. We also don't need a material here. Model. Let's do that. Scale factor up to 10. That's fine. Gonna place it here. Okay, so that's the issue. Like, where is this? Okay, so wait a second. Okay, so it was way bigger than... Okay, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, we're just gonna copy this, paste it here. How does it look like? Yeah, okay. And if I put now render in the render here, if I put it to... Nope, not this. If I take the billboard, I make it into a mesh. And then let's just keep it to a cube. Okay, here we go. There's something happening. At least we know that. Cylinder, what would happen? Restart. It's way too big. Now let's try this one. Restart. Nothing is happening. I'm missing something here, guys. Something is not working here. What is it though? What is it that is not working? Something is not working. Cylinder. Let's just take the normal cylinder. And when we restart it, it shows us something. It's way too big. Gonna make it smaller. Oh, it's annoying because it should work. If you have imported to Unity the model folder, don't forget to be organized, guys. You can select your cylinder and say that you don't want to import material, nor animations, and you can also set the scale factor to 10. And then you can press apply. Okay. Alright, so let's apply this mesh to our area of attack now. So the way we can do it by simply duplicating the ground, for example. They enable the renderer to have mesh. Then they replace the... It must be something with the UV map that I've done wrong. Let's go back to when they're doing the UV map. Yes, okay. Okay. That's it. Okay, I mean, they did something a bit different. So we're just gonna do it like they did it. Did I not mark it as seam? I mean, I did mark seam. Here to mark seam. And now all of it, you unwrap, then take the vertices of each one, zoom in a bit more. Correct. Yes. Now, tap out of it, but like be shade smooth. I'm just trying different things right now. And if I export that to a normal FBX, follow along. Selected objects, or one, okay, apply unit, apply user. Please. Geometry. Don't bake any animation. There's no need for it. Yeah. Export. Let's do it again. So annoying. We'll do it again. F this. And if it doesn't work, we'll just use the meshes from Unity. Okay, we'll make this loop. Okay. And now we will go back here and change this. Did I flip the faces? Like what happened now? It's so annoying. The faces are not flipped. Cylinder exists. So what is it missing, damn it? Can someone help? What is it missing? It's so annoying. If it's on a plane, same thing happening, right? And if it is on just a cube, what would happen? It stays in a cube. That's so weird. It's on a cylinder, the normal one. Okay. We're just gonna go with this now. Figure the rest later. It's about learning for now. Let's see. What happens afterwards?
You don't want to import material. No animation is scale factor to 10. And then you can press apply. Alright, so let's apply this mesh to our area of attack now. So the way you can do it by simply duplicating this ground, for example, and
okay, yeah, we've seen that.
We have to come down here to the renderer and select
mesh. Okay. What happens next?
By simply dragging it around here to the mesh slot, like this.
Good thing it works for you. Doesn't work for me, damn it.
Here we go. We have the cylinder in act, and at the moment it's applying the beam according to the UV map we made, and it's also always facing the camera. And that's usually fixed by coming here to the render alignment, switch it from view to local. Okay,
so render alignment, we will change it. Let's have it playing all the time because it's facing us all the time now. And we can change that to here, from render alignment from view to local. This will keep it in the cylinder. Oh, this makes me curious again if this would work. Capsule works. Let's make cylinder again. It works. What made it not work before? Okay, now it works. Cool, thanks Unity. At least it works. Yeah, I tried the cylinder and it works for me too, but on default particles, I have no clue how it should look like. I really don't know what didn't make it work now. I mean, I just changed the local to view. I mean, you could see it. Like, it is there a little bit, but then you change it either to local. Oh, I wonder what happens to world. Yeah, it's I mean, at least we succeeded with making it, you know, happen. So let's keep going. I don't know, man. I like here, if I put it on view, you could still see it. It's very, like, it's super small, but I don't know what's happening with it. Anyway, let's keep going. I'm glad it works.
And by the way, wall aligns to wall axis and doesn't allow to rotate it by its transform. Just so you know, but let's leave it at local, and let's also rotate it -90 degrees in the x-axis so it stays.
So with world, at least what I got is, so with local you could rotate the cylinder the way you want. And the reason, you know what? I think it's the size over lifetime. Yeah, that was the reason why it was doing all of this stuff. So if you take it back to view, we restart it. No, okay, I'm wrong. It doesn't matter. Oh yeah, local. Let's keep going. Yeah, let's see.
As you can see, this doesn't look that good with our beam texture, which means we need to create a new one that looks like
we'll create a new texture. I'll follow along the next chapter. We're gonna go to Photoshop.
Let's create a new file, name it impact01 with 1000 by 1000. Now with the bucket tool, this tool, let's choose black.
We'll do something with black and white. Okay, what I will do is I will switch from this screen to my graphic tablet. Let's see how we will do that the best way possible. So we go back here and we will add a window capture. And this window capture will be called the Photoshop graphic tab. Yeah, so that is the way it interacts with the world. The sizes and distances are calculated based on the world around it, and doing it local will only calculate stuff based on local dimensions, okay? Meaning inside the UFX, yeah, exactly, game object you have in the hierarchy, if that makes sense. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. Thanks for explaining to me. I mean, so basically local would make it move around, and world would mean its relationship to the world vertices or the axes. Okay, we're gonna go into it a bit deeper, I guess, later. I'm just trying to get this thing working. Not the Chrome, but the Photoshop. Okay, that's good enough. We will make it a bit smaller. We're gonna make it behind the camera. Okay, that's behind everything, right? Make it here, somewhere here. Yeah. Wait, what? Okay, it doesn't really matter. We're just gonna make it a bit smaller so we see everything. Good. Okay, and we'll follow along as well with the tutorial so we have everything. Okay, so this is not coming with it. Give me a minute. We're just gonna copy it then over here. Should I even make it smaller? Nah, wait. There's a better way to do it. At this, when you have so many scenes, you get lost somehow. Practice. Okay, we have the scene of practice. Okay, give me a second. Now it should work. Yes. Yeah, that looks good. Maybe put it more to the right, like here. And now we'll just follow along. Nope. And so, yeah, okay. We will see what they do, put it on X2, and we'll create a new file. Let's make it 248 by 248. 248, yes. And we will have a black background with a white fill and mask and invert and brushes, and take this one maybe. Or this one. Yeah, this one looks very neat. Let's see. Now we will watch. Okay, new comment. Local makes it dependent on the object it is located on. So like the hierarchy, right? And world makes it dependent on world size and cameras. Ah, okay. As camera play a big role in how the world is viewed, rendered. But yeah, learning this is quite cool, but you should also try to apply it to a real thing, like make an actual bomb next to a tree. Okay, maybe we could do that. Aha, I think I get it more now. So what I will do, look, I hope I'm spelling your name right. Vexort, right? Vexort, that's your name. I will get a mesh from the internet and we will place it. And then we will play that explosion of area of effect, right? We'll disable that one. And we'll play this effect and see it next to a tree. And we will zoom in and out and see how it works. Would that make sense? Let me know. Okay, so as for now, I'll continue this. White color. Okay, I'm just gonna skip through it. Yeah, okay. So we'll do that texture. Yeah. Okay, so let's just do that texture now. Let's go. Okay. Not that. It's gonna be interesting now to make the setup work. Wait a second. Let's I just want to have an eye on my OBS, so we have it always in mind. So OBS, okay, good. Okay, put it here. Okay, and now I will see if you guys can see me, because I will be more closer to here. And the mic will be more coming down to me like that. Will be more to here. Okay. And now we will have that into normal value, like we should. Yeah. That brush is not working for me. Let's try this one. I like to have textures with my brush. So we will just make those like fire flames, like they did in the video. Yeah, just gonna keep it the same size. Maybe put it here so I can see it. Gonna go back to the texture that they did. And okay, so basically just flames, right? Coming that. I would like to add some. Would like to break it down even more. Oh, hills, lower part. Let's see if this would work. I think it would also be cool if values are shifting sometimes, going up, such, and now like making those interesting textures. Try to go macro to what's it called? Micro to micro with this. Just like take away some parts, add them again. Yeah, I don't like that here. Gonna keep going. I'm gonna add a layer again, make it more unified. Right, and now I'll take the value here. Try to cut some stuff out, some interesting layers. So basically it's a game of, wait, why is the Photoshop, oh my god. Okay, wait, for some reason it doesn't want to show anything. Why is my setup so weird? Okay, maybe I could add that. Maybe there's a workaround. So what I will do is take the window that does the what is it called, navigator. Let's see if we could have that navigator here so you see what is happening. Then I'll have to figure this out later. That's the navigator. Just gonna keep it here. So yeah, I'll see what's happening. And I'll delete that Photoshop thing that I made, which still exists for some reason. Okay, and now we have the navigator from the Photoshop file. And we'll keep going. Let's see. So let's take that value again. And let's have a different value as well, like the white. And we will now add those details over everything. So I have the gray as well. Maybe that gray here we take. Cool. Just add those nice details that like almost resemble a fire. Okay, one more. Just because I figured it out. Create a new particle system and just change the render to a mesh with the sender again. Default everything else. You will see how particles align themselves with the world, the initial state of the mesh, or point towards the camera. You can also change the simulation space in the top part of the system and move the particles around to see how they interact with the world. Okay. No, keep going, please. I enjoy this. I'm going to actually try that. We can try that right now because I do love it when people comment. So we will try that. Okay, so you told me to, first of all, create a new particle system, correct? Where is it? Not 3D object effect. Particle system, just vanilla, right? Just put the camera a bit more up. Okay. And we will name this test and your name. Okay. The Vexar theory. Okay. We will pick a mesh. We will take the cylinder. Hit it. What the fuck is oh, wow. Okay, I haven't thought about this, honestly. This is cool. Okay, so you told me to make a particle system, default everything else. You will see how particles align themselves with the world. The initial state of the mesh or point towards the camera. Yeah, I mean, they are following me wherever I go, right? Or are they not? Okay, let's see. We will... What is the next thing you told me to do of the mesh or point towards the camera? You can also change the simulation space in the top part of the system and move the particles around. Okay, simulation space, I remember what that was. So we will take simulation space to world and move it around. And we see them going with the thing, yeah. And if it was local, they will stay where they are, right? Restart? Yeah. They will go with me. Yes. Yes. Okay. You can change the render alignment. Render alignment. Render alignment. But let me search for render alignment. I guess it's in the renderer. Render mode, mesh distribution, meshes, material, sort mode, sorting fudge, render alignment. Here you go. And now we change it to world. Aha. They are, yeah, okay. So if I spin this, nothing will happen. Something happens. Okay. So this is its relation to the world, right? And restart. And if I change the world to, if I change it to local, that means, because when we put that cylinder here, it's pointing up, but the mesh itself, it's pointing this way. So I'm trying to understand why one of them, when it's when the render alignment is on. Okay, first of all, let's just change the rotation. It still changes with it, but if it's world, it will. What would it do? It still faces us no matter what, but it still spins. But it faces. Yeah. Okay. It spins. It spins differently, so they won't spin. Each one of them won't spin with the. Because their relation is to the world. They're dependent on the world, and as long that the world didn't change, they won't change, right? This is what it means. I wonder what the facing means. Velocity. Oh, that's kind of cool. With oh my god, look at that fucking effect. Oh my god. Okay, give me a second. I want to explore this a bit more. 100. How cool is this? Wait, we gotta make them move. Flip, pivot. So cool. So cool. Wait, let me do the 3D size and make this a 10. What the hell is going on? Okay, 10 here. Let's see. Oh my god, look at this, man. Look at this. Wow. Wait, let's make it a hemisphere. Oh my god. Okay, I'm a VFX artist now, officially. This is local in this case. Ah. Okay, so if we make... Okay, I'm gonna Control-Z the stuff that I've done here. Restart. I got distracted. I'm sorry. We will make that into world again. And we see that they move this way. We will make the simulation space, right? We'll make that into a world. And now they don't spin at all. It's so cool. It's still complicated for me. But that being said, I think I get the point. It depends on the effects and the usage of it, right? So you have an effect that follows a character, for example, but you don't want it to change. You just want it to stay the same, no matter what. But another effect that you want to change depending on where its location at, right? And this is where this matters. So I wonder now what would happen if this stayed world. I mean, I think it will move, but it will still spin within itself, right? So it will, exactly. So it will spin with itself, but it won't do the same thing with the fire. It will just stay like it is, just emitting those particles. But if you change that to local, it will, wait, this is the other way around. Okay. Yeah, but basically I meant it, but the other way around. Yeah, okay. And now this world, yeah, okay. And if this is world, it should go with it now. There you go. And it should not spin anymore. But if this were to be, yeah, it makes sense. It's very close to rigging. Yeah, it's awesome. Okay. So there are two things you need to keep in mind. The way stuff is rendered, show on screen, and the way it is simulated, the way it interacts with the world around it. Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought that it has something to do with the reason of, like, why does it, or what is the purpose of that effect, and how do we want it to, let's say, simulate? How do we want it to, take place in the world or in the game? I'll go back to texture painting now. This is awesome. Thanks a lot for your input. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for interacting so much, man. Awesome. Okay, we will create more effects here. I'm just leaning towards fire for now because the way they made it in the course, it looked very much like fire. Always erase some stuff away like this. Here too. I feel like they're interacting with each other a bit too much. Here, yeah. And I'm never shy to cut more stuff and, yeah, make it more dominant, if you may say. Give it more contrast, I guess. Here, yeah. Now, make it go something interesting. That. Let's see, this makes sense. Maybe we add those details later where we could easily erase them, actually. I'm gonna go with the black here and erase a lot of it here and go with the very light gray or dark gray in that case. Make this a bit bigger in general and then cut it. Yeah, let's cut it as much as you can. Add more details later. Oh, we add even more here. Okay, this is visible. That's amazing. Gonna make the texture more interesting. Gonna add more stuff to it. Don't like this one. Yeah. Okay. Actually, it helps with to have the navigator on the stream because you can easily look at it on fire. Then you would see this if the silhouette works or not. That's too Ilkatronic. It ended up with being like that. Just gonna finish this up. I don't like that it's forming this circle, almost like a circle thing. Yeah, black. Let's go. I wonder if it has to tile, like if it has to loop, basically more or less. We can make it though. I mean, it's going around a cylinder. I kinda imagine it to loop, right? Let's see what happens. I got it. Imagine a torch, the flame made of particles that use local simulation as it stays on the torch tip. The smoke is made from other particles that use world and simulation as it rotates and moves in the world. Okay, so the torch does not change, but the smoke changes because it rotates with the world. And that would be simulation mode, world, and render, what's it called? Render alignment would be local, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. It's very interesting, the whole thing. I mean, I get it with the sparks and the fire. It makes a lot of sense for me. It's like following a character with the world simulation world. What's it called? Simulation space world. Makes sense to make it follow a character, and it moves, it interacts with the world, right? It's alive. Not its own local space, so to speak, which is anyway the name of the space. But the render thing is what still affects me a bit. I mean, I get it that for the appearance of it, but I don't think it has much to do with the logic, right? So the render, everything to do with the render has something to do with the appearance of the particles, and less to do with its how to say, and not much to do with its simulations, so to speak, like in the world, or interactions with the world. That is the simulation space job, so to speak, right? So if you keep it into that perspective, render is appearance, simulation is its interaction with the world, then you basically get it. Like, I kind of do understand it better if it's limited to that. But hey, I could be wrong. Thanks a lot for doing the research. I really appreciate it. Thanks. So what I don't want to do here is I don't want any black space, like just completely black. I want at least something going on in the texture. Like, I want it to be close to dark, to black here, but I want it to still show something, right? I don't want it to go completely to black. I just don't want that. Don't want that to happen. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. I have no idea. I kind of don't want to surrender. I want it to still be interesting. Let's see if we can make that happen. I mean, they say that technical artists are defined by their textures or their favorite texture. So we'll see. That's my goal anyways, to be a technical artist. So let's hope we get to that level. I really appreciate textures and what they can do in games, because it does connect my background in 2D with the thing that I want to learn 3D, and it gives me advantage. Or at least I feel like it does. I'm gonna keep adding details until we can't do it anymore. That's at least what I want to do. And what I will do now is add a drop of black gradient over everything, but I'll do it on a different layer. Just a drop, right? Barely visible. And what I will do now as well is I will start adding white fill, mask, Control I, and I'll start refining those white parts of the effect. I'll start adding big chunks now, just like you would do with fire. Like, I wanna kind of simulate that those white parts here in the beginning, they're going over the place. And now it's time to refine that a little bit. Just add them one by one, start refining them, just switching the white and blacks. Let's see what happens. Hope it will make a nice effect on the texture. For now, we could see that it is doing something. I mean, we could try with it and without it and see what happens in the Unity file. I'm just going with the mouse, really, going over it. Yeah, I feel like we need more of it, parts at least. Just want a little bit of it, not too much. Yeah, before and after. What do you guys think? Before or after? Now I'll add more of those gray areas here at the bottom. Yeah. Just gonna switch between the colors. I'm really curious how this will look like, because I have no idea about the purpose yet. But it is a challenge. So let's see. Sometimes you learn better, or I do at least, when I go ambitious like that, and then I just get disappointed, like we did with the 3D texture. But at least we learned something. That's cool. It's all about learning. It's all about the learning. Okay, let's give it a try. I don't want to waste so much time. If it is not working, we will know that now immediately. Let's go back to the course. I'm gonna take it down here. We will put that here. And what we will also do is watch now. Here we'll take the navigator, put it somewhere else for now. And let's see. I'm gonna save it. I will also save it in the same folder like I had the documents. Where's the documents? Here we are. VFX playground, and save that as texture area of. We save it, and now thank you so much. And now we go to the course. Make sure that we're in private. Gotta make sure, yeah, it is pixelated. Okay, and now we start. We will export it as a PNG, they say, but I say JPEG because I don't want it to be huge in the project. Let's give it a like 10, impression of 10. And now we would have the Explorer here. We just put it here. And yeah, we will import it.
So once we are back in Unity, we can duplicate our beam01 underscore add material, and now we can call it impact 01 underscore.
So we have a material. I don't know that. Wait, a material here, scene. Okay, wait a second. What is that?
And let's drag and drop our impact 01 texture to this spot. Now we can go ahead and also.
Okay, so one of those. Okay, what we will do is we will go to our shaders, select material. Here we are. I'm gonna take one of them, maybe the most basic one. We will call it default particle additive. Let's call it, let's see, impact, and yeah, impact 01 add. Let's see. And then we will advanced option surface. Yeah, okay. And now we will add the texture to it that we just created. Hate this about Unity. It's so stupid. Scene. No, not here. Okay, we're gonna go back here. We are going to select the shader or the material. Not the shader. Come on, Jack. Can't focus. I need a break. Select material. That's not the one. Select it again here. Select material. Let's see. It is in shape. Okay, so what we will do is we'll take all those bad boys, take them to materials, so we don't keep going around the whole time. We're gonna lock this, go back here, textures, pick that one, put it here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. Okay, I can see why we would need more black space. So we will do that right now. And, oh, not this black. Yeah, we'll just do that. We will save it as JPEG again. Yes, save it over. Give it a save again. And we will delete it. And we will import again. Here we go. Yeah, I'm just a little bit worried about that point here. Let's see. But otherwise, this is looking cool. Ooh, look at that. Does it tile nicely? Yes, it does. Okay, so let's see what they do now.
Assign the impact material to the cylinder, and now we get these nice results with the much better looking.
Okay, so we're gonna keep that for later, or just delete it for now, and unlock this. And so take that down, and we will apply. We will show it and restart it. Yes. Okay. We will change the texture, or we will change the whole material, more likely to. Now, come on now. Lock this, and we'll change the material now to the impact. Damn, looking good. Okay, the UVs are not working to our favor. I think I've done it wrong in the wrong way. We're gonna go back to Blender. All right, so we will select all of them, and we will select all of them here and rotate them this way. Save, export, FBX, cylinder. Yes, correct. And I will re-import that and assets, and now here I will go to the models. We will go to here, delete that, or maybe just update it. Let's just hope it replaces it. We will do it again. So yeah, I was worried about this here, and I wonder if there's a way to get rid of it. Is it that the thing, what is happening? Why is it showing that effect? Why is it doing that? I still like it though. So what we will do is go back to Blender. We did it wrong again, just the other way around. Yes. And save and export and this thing and yes, all good. Also, actually what I could do is just save it inside the file, but for now, I'm gonna do it like this. Fine for me. Good practice. Yeah, okay. Wait, what? So, we did it wrong again. We will select something, export, and export again. And we will go back and re-import, delete that, re-import. Okay, so how to get rid of this? Anyone has any idea? How can I do this? Do I really need to do so much of black gradient? Like, and then we just save that into JPEG and we tell Unity, select the material for us. Just select this. So what is happening? Can I change something here that would make it different? Wait, I got some comments. I'm not sure where to read. I got pinched over. Oh, now it's too late. Lift it a bit off the ground, I think. Was colliding with the ground. Not sure what you're talking about. I think I've done something, but I forgot. Now I'm trying to figure out this thing here. Fly. Ah, now it works. Here we go. It's amazing. Okay. Let's play a little bit with intensity here. I think it's going a bit nuts. Okay, this is funny. Okay, let's see what they do. I think they disabled the... Okay, let's see how I could get rid of this color over time. Yes, and we need to start delay, no delay. Start lifetime 1. Now it just stays. That's good. That's good. What 7? Okay, now it's colliding with itself. That's good. We need that. And let's see what they do.
Now we need to control the size of the sign. Of meshes, we can turn on previous size, which will give us control on the radius and how high the cylinder is in this case. For example, 10 by 10 in the X and Y respectively will have a nice radius, but only at one it will look really small. Let's increase it to around, why not? And by the way, if you see some artifacts, just make don't go over the top. Okay, now we also want to use a 3D style.
So the reason why we had that thing where we had to change the texture, it seems that I've gone over the top here with a centimeter or something, or like with a millimeter, and it was showing that effect. So the reason how you could avoid that is that you select the vertices and you what? Yes, select the vertices and you just like put it a bit down, like the vertices. Weird. Anyway, I'm not gonna figure that out now. I'm gonna keep going.
Over lifetime. And you can simply turn on separate. And now we have control over the X, Y, and Z axis. So we want it to shrink in the radius, but to keep its original height. For that,
Now it's gonna get really interesting.
Like this, and we can also we want to keep it basically by leaving the curve always at 1, like this. And now we get this pretty cool sign that's shrinking only in the radius as you can. And the color of the lifetime is actually looking good, so let's leave it as it is. Now, if we want it to rotate, we can use over lifetime. And this is...
So, generally, what we will do is we will play with the size. So, we have the 3D size. No, this is rotation. 3D size. And we will have type of start lifetime 0, 1, start speed 0. Yeah, we have that same. I'm just trying to copy the settings because I played with some. We're gonna keep it local. It's correct. And yes. Correct. We'll keep the duration to 1. And now we will play with the size a little bit. I will also enable color over lifetime. We'll need it again, and size over lifetime. So we will play it a bit with here and make it stretch upwards, as you can see. We will probably need less white generally. So what we will do, we'll go back to the Photoshop file, and now we will manipulate this thing to make it darker. I'm just playing with the texture for now, and then I'll add a curve adjustment layer. Does it work? Yeah. Okay, and now I'll either multiply it. Let's see, I'm playing with the texture again. Oh, that's nice. I mean, just look at that, right? It looks really nice. You can see it. Okay. There's difference or exclusion. But this is very nice because I only need a little bit of that. Actually, let's try with it. Like, let's go all the way. And this is so cool. Wow, this is really cool. I really like it. I don't like that line that it's creating. Let's see if I could manipulate it. Okay. Well, maybe we can reduce that line, right? Must be a way. Doesn't seem like it. Okay, we're just gonna leave it like it is. Either put this on top. Leave it this. Let's try that texture for once. Let's name it a bit differently. We'll just have it called as 2, whatever. And let's pick the navigator back again. Let's put it here. Load. Yep, save it. Refresh. Good. Take it, put it here. Try with different textures. We'll go to the material itself. Select material. Gonna select material, and we will replace the shader now. Not the shader, the texture. Sorry. God, so annoying, this thing. We probably need 2 inspectors. Getting really annoying. Yeah. Select material. Click on it. Good. Assets. VFX. No. Here. We will add the texture. This is amazing. This is really cool. Yeah. Love this. Okay, let's keep working on the stuff on the particle system. Okay, let's keep going. What we will do as well is take the size of a lifetime and we will access its separate axes. Ooh, it's amazing. Okay, just following along right now. What they say is the Y and the X values should be the same, and that the Z should go from 0 to 1. What would happen if it stays the same? Yeah, okay. So let's keep it like this. I mean, yeah, let's just follow along for now. And what would this do? Is it rotating a little bit? Huh? Kind of like this. I mean, it depends on effect you're going for, I guess. Okay, I'm just gonna follow the tutorial now and see what happens to understand it a little bit more. There is a rotation over lifetime, and this one does. If we put it to 360, it should turn now. But okay, so that's what's happening here. We're gonna copy that and paste it so it keeps its cylindrical shape. Okay, this is doing a nice effect for now.
But if we would insert 180, it would do half a turn, and 720 would do 2 turns. Now, let's parent this to the anticipation, basically, and see how everything will look.
That could make a nice anticipation. At least that's what they say. So let's put it to the test, and we will parent it to the ground beam. Maybe not. Yeah, doing something cool. I'm still not sure because wait a second. How does it look like when the yeah, it is cool. Okay, restart. It's way too big, and I think I would like it to be in sync with the. Okay, so 0.5, the delay 0.5, and what is the settings here? 0.5, 1. Okay, let's yeah, and it disappears because its lifetime is about 0.5. I have lifetime about 1 second. So let's just play them together. Yeah, and what I would also like to do is play with the Z scale now. So what we would do is that we have a Z scale in here, and I will put this to 2, and we'll make it go from, yeah, something like that. Maybe with some, maybe like this. Something is slowing it down, and that is here. Okay, let's make this nicer curve, and this one too. Wait, this, and here we have. Yeah. Okay, let's try them. We'll try them again. Yeah, I like it. Just it could use more time, right? Let's start delay it. The delay should be around 3.5. I think it could use some 7. I think it is going quite fast, so we need the opposite of that, which is, wait, if it's going like this, we want it to go like that. That's the Z only. So I fucked it up. Wait, this is going like this. I hate this with Unity. Like this. Okay, Restart. Funny. Okay, let's make it go the other way around. Yeah, this here too. 720. And now the Z is annoying me because I think it could go. This is too cartoony. It's too fast to just playing around with the values to get a more stable effect. But it is way too quick. It is way too quick. Let's go with a second. Second and a second and two. No looping. Why is there two of them now? Uh-huh. I feel like they're. Let's see this. How this curve would play. Yeah. Yeah, that is exactly what I don't want. I want it to stay longer size. Okay, let's play together and see how that plays in. I think it's all off right now. Yeah. It's way too big. We need to be smaller. Let's work on each problem first. We need 5, 5, 10. Play that first. Still too small. Let's play 7, 7, 10. Let's have them all together. Yeah, I kind of you see this when it goes. I think it should stop and go down right here. Yeah. Okay, so it's way too long. I'm gonna just watch the time. Around 7. Yeah, okay. We will have it go. Its lifetime should be 7, basically. Yeah, it's very fast, but let's see how that plays in. Yeah, that's much better. I think we could use a brighter color. But let's see. Yeah. And now let's play them together. Yeah. And now what I will also do, take the second inspector, I give it the older texture. Let's play that again. Yeah. And I feel, ooh, what's that? Okay, weird. I feel like we could make that go spread. Let's make it go a bit bigger in the. Well, what happens if I make this into an 8? Does it get bigger? The radius? Because I feel like it could go a bit bigger here. And that way I will now wait. I will add 1. Goes up, overshoots, then it goes down. So like that, I'll copy this, paste it on the X axis as well. We start. Okay. And now, yeah. Yes. I feel like the 10 is too big. And we'll, God damn it. We'll make it, how much? 7? That's less than the, maybe 8 as well. Let's see how that plays out. Okay, let's make it 7. Let's go 6. Yeah. Now we'll play all together. Yeah. It's burning. It's fuming. It's good. Feel like we could make it a 4. Let's see. Let's just see. Okay. Let's see now. All together. Okay. I like to play with the color of our lifetime here a little bit. Maybe, just maybe, we make it a green particle at the end. Let's see what happens. It is doing something. How else I could use that to my own advantage? If I make the color, where is the color? Looping. It's not so. I think I did something wrong. Okay. Now we will go here, make that into a green. Okay. Now close it. Only the thing will turn to green, right? And it doesn't even. Okay. Can I make this into? Let's make this white. Oh wait. Even better. Let's copy that color. Put that color here. Now right here. One here. Them close to each other. Okay. And now this one comes white. Kind of cool. Let's play with it. Yeah. Okay. What we could do still is copy that color, paste it here. Yeah. And now we make that white. That's kind of cool. Let's see. I feel like this needs way more space upwards. Well, basically, the beam needs to chill a little bit, right? We need to make it gray. Grayish. More gray. And here we need that to go a bit more up. Maybe 6. Yeah, okay. And now we play together. Yeah. Let's see together with the particles in. That's awesome. It's looking really nice. Okay, let's see all together. Oh, that's nice. Dude. Hell yeah. What I feel we could still do is make another one where it explodes with the stuff. Which one is this one? Yeah, so what is the delay? Start delay is 1.8. Okay, we're gonna make that 1.8. How long does it play? It plays for 1/5 of a second. No, not 1/5. Like 0.5 seconds. Yeah. Okay, and now what we would do is get that into 20, 20, and maybe 8. Okay. And what I want it to do is like explode and keep growing. So size over lifetime will be the total opposite. If it starts big, I want it to start small and then grow bigger, way bigger actually. Yeah. Now we will copy that and paste it here. Restart. Yeah. The Z needs to chill because the Z should just stay the same. And the color over lifetime needs to dissipate way earlier. And we need those colors away, I think. Restart. Kind of want it to go bigger. Okay, maybe Z should have the same mechanic here. Let's see. Okay, and now we make it dissipate way quicker, like here. And now we restart it. Let's see. I don't like how fast it's rotating, so we can limit that to 90. Now we see. Yeah. Actually, let's make a curve that says it rotates quicker and then it dissipates, right? So something like that. Quickly dissipates. Okay, let's see. We restart that. Okay, it's going way too quick. Let's go again. Okay, let's see. What else can we do? Let's try this one. It should go 0 to 60, 60. Okay, let's try all together. See what happens. Okay, way too late, first of all. 0.5. I feel like it should happen way earlier. Okay, we're just gonna fine-tune that on our own. Let's see what happens. Nah. We'll need what is it called? A bit later. It's taking away a lot of the energy. We'll make it super transparent. Now we'll play again. Okay. One more thing we will do is that we will really keep the Z axis here on 1, and we'll keep this to 3 and see what happens. Okay, what happens if it's on full opacity? Shockwave type of effect. Can barely see it, but what I would like now to do is make a variant. Where is it? Create variant. Good. Now we select the material. We lock this. We go back to textures. We take that new texture we made. We put it here. We unlock this. We pick this. We make sure that it's the right texture. It is. We restart. Yeah, that's more like it. Now we need way more space. 7 in the Z-axis. Yeah. Okay. Now we will make this smaller, make it overshoot on its own. We need this bigger. Okay, back to bigger here. We will make this to a 30. Let's see how that looks like. Yeah, we need it way smaller or lower. Okay, we have something. It's way too big though. So we'll go 15, 15, and 20 maybe. Let's see. All right, let's see all together how it plays out. Yeah, I'm not liking that, but it's good enough. We're gonna keep going.
Oh yes, and that's really cool. I think it gives a really nice texture and anticipation. And we are going according to our original sketch and idea, which is gathering energy vertically. And that's really awesome. So now for the climax and dissipation part, we can also reuse this cylinder. Basically as a way of dissipating. So let's duplicate the cylinder. And firstly we want to add a start delay of 1.2. So let's change the lifetime to be 0.5, and in size of a lifetime we want it to go, so we are going for the opposite, where the x and y will always be at 1.
Okay, so they're also attempting on the same attempt I think that we made before. Let's see.
And you can try a different curves with different ideas if you want, obviously. The only thing we are missing now is the correct of lifetime.
Just gonna skip until the end to see the results and if I like it. Let's see. Oh, that's awesome.
We need the code on the end more to the dissipation, so it doesn't disappear too fast. And it's a very cool base model, so we can have a better view of all these working together. And yeah, I think it looks really cool. What do you think, guys?
Not a big fan, honestly. So I like this, but I don't like how the texture just doesn't show again, you know? But for now, and I also feel my texture is way too distracting. I feel like it could use way less Z stretching thingy. For now, my limitless or my limited knowledge should suffice, and we'll move to learn more things It's okay to not like your work, because I'm not completely satisfied with that. It's fine though. It looks cool. I'm not completely convinced with the shapes, because on one hand we have those round shapes, and on the other hand we have this super I mean, let's just work with it, right? Let's just try to make it work. We're gonna apply, just showing you the navigator again, image, apply image, and now we will work with some blur, Gaussian blur. We will blur it out, and yeah, and now we will make it work on itself. Let's see, what else do we have? Yeah, this is nice, the linear dodge add, and we will save this and call it smoother. So this, actually this, but smoother, okay. We'll need another one without, I mean, let's just try it, see how it works. Works nicely, we'll keep it. Okay, and now we will take this, go to the material, lock it, texture, take the smoother one, apply it. Now we choose this one, we unlock it. Yeah, I think that will make the effect more united now. Definitely. That's more like it. Because before we had those really, really, really rough shapes. And now we're working with something a bit different. Yeah, I like it. I feel like the upper part of it could use more darkness to cut it out more. What I will do is I'll add a gradient and save it again. But this time I will save the actual texture, so we don't have to do the whole thing again. I will go here and save that as a JPEG, and boom, smoother should be overwritten. Okay, we go back here, it loads a bit, save it, and we play it again. Yeah, there we go, better. Okay, we have something going on. That is nice. Let's see, what else can we do? We're gonna keep watching.
Of course, you can try to make your own adjustments. And by the way, there's something I want to show in this. See this radius thickness option? It will only emit in the perimeter of the sand, as you can see. But once you start increasing the radius gap, where the particles can spawn. And yes,
okay, so what we will do is we will make a new effect and called version 2. We will play with the same idea they're playing with in the video. And that is making a new vertical energy and make it... I'll go back there to the video just to learn the new things they're teaching. I'll actually have a bathroom break. We'll be back. See you in, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. We'll be back. All right, we're back. So let's put on the headset and have some water. That's nice. I'll remove the break graphic and I will get some water. So now let's do the yeah, go ahead, please tell me what you think I can try to do. Please guys, whenever you have suggestions, just leave them over. And if you want me to move on from to the next thing to learn the new thing in the course, just drop me a message. I'm totally fine with that. Go ahead, Vexort. I hope I'm saying your name right. Okay, let's go. Let's go back. Okay, so they copy. Go back. I think that is... yeah, wait.
We can also reuse the triangle, basically as a way of dissipating. So let's duplicate the triangle, and firstly we want to add a start delay of 1.2.
So of course they start with the delay, right? Like we did before. I think it's a 1.2. Lifetime should be the same. Let's see.
So let's change lifetime to be 0.
They shrink it even more. Okay, 0.5. Let's see.
And in size of a lifetime, we want it to go
size over lifetime. Let's see. So what he does is does the opposite here now. So size over lifetime, and we give this one. Okay, let's first copy its value, and then we will give it a very linear curve. If it's linear, you know, flat curve, whatever. Paste that one in. See how that plays. Okay, so it goes like fire, basically. Up and down, right? Just comparing the size right now, just to see, and the time. What we will also do is get rid of those explosions. We'll keep the particles, though. So we're basically creating a bit of a different effect here. One where the cylinder is highlighted. I will take the timing of the explosion, which is 1.8, and check how that sinks in with the particles again. Okay, I think we need more time, but let's see what maybe they adjusted more later. Second.
And gets bigger until it fades away. And you can try a different curves with different ideas if you want, obviously. The only thing we are missing now is the correct state in the color of lifetime. Basically, we want this to go from full opaque.
Okay, so I think the reason why we're not getting the nice effect is because of the... Of course, I need to focus here now. Color over lifetime. I think what we need to do is make the transparent thing a bit different, where it goes from fully opaque to 0%. And I think what we need to do is, since it started with orange, it needs to dissipate with... It has to start with green and dissipate with orange. I think that will give it a nice effect. Maybe here we keep it going as it's going away. Let's play that again. Yeah, I think the green could use a bit more time, actually. Copy that, paste it here. We're getting faster, guys. Like, yesterday I was just learning the basics, and now here we are. We're getting faster, we're getting a good understanding. That's amazing. Wow, this is fun. This is so much fun. Why haven't I done this earlier? It's so much better for learning to stream somehow. Anyway, just wanted to drop that message. Maybe you didn't get it before. I am currently rendering actually it's done rendering, and I will upload it on YouTube. That's the past stream. So just allow me to do that real quick. I'll just drop it on YouTube so you guys can check it out on my YouTube if you're curious about how we got here. And I will also upload the stream for today as well. So just upload a video. Let me do this real quick, and boom, here. The channel is called Jack the Generalist. Just check it out. I'll just let it upload in the background now. I won't even add anything other than public, and just publish it. It will take some time to upload. All right, thank you for giving me the time to upload this. And we have it. Okay, so now we will continue. We're getting faster, like we said. Let's restart this thing. Restart it, yeah. It's going green to orange, and yeah, okay, it's exploding. We need a... Go back to the course, and okay, yeah, and here, continue now. He basically times it with the particles, like the same time of the particles. He's playing that energy burst. So let's just keep it together. See what happens. Yeah. That is nice. That is nice and everything. Let's keep that then. The what is it? What is this again? The explosion on the ground. We need that. Yeah, this we need, and it plays nicely together. Okay, now it's so big that I can't see anything anymore. Start size needs to chill a little bit. And we're gonna play it again. Yeah. So what I also noticed that we need much more vertical space. And let's play it again. Yeah. Does anyone know how to hide the gizmos? They're really getting annoying, like slowly. So, or a way to make them smaller. Gizmo, 3D icon, no, fade gizmo. Wait, drain. Okay, I'm just gonna Google it real quick. Okay, we have a new comment. I like the fact that you're doing the tutorial, but I would really suggest trying to apply it something even when you click it spawns the effect. When you click it, spawns that effect. So far, I think that you just copy what he does and not really understanding how it can be applied to other things. Well, the thing is, so what I try to do is for now, because my knowledge is so limited, I try to get what is needed from the tutorial and try to add my own spin on it. I try to give it my own taste as well. And so when I understand what is the purpose, so for example, when he shortens the time, I'm trying to understand why that is the case and apply to the effect that I have. And then once I have an understanding of that, I try to add my own spin. But if you have a suggestion, like how would I always struggled with this anyway. So tell me, like in this example, how would we try different things? Because before I didn't even know that you could apply a texture on a mesh, for example. So with that, I can't add so much spin on it as much as I would like. I can only understand for this time being, I can only understand what the tools are, how to use them, and then after that, I think we could expand on that. That's my third stream so far, so there's still a lot of room for improvement here. Please do share any ideas you have on how we can make this our own, how we can make that effect our own. So you made an explosion, try to create a new explosion with no tutorial help, but yes, no rush. Yeah, that's a good idea. Might just try that. I first want to get the technical difficulties first away, like the knowledge, what I want to take that gap of knowledge and try to shorten it for now. So I want to know different ways to create effects. I want to get familiar with the tools. I want to be able to play with the colors a bit faster. I want to be able to understand the concepts we're working with, right? So yeah, things will take a little time, but we will get there. I promise we'll get there. Definitely we should get there. So now I have to remember what we were doing. Restart. Okay, so we've made it taller. We've made this thing smaller. Like for example, this particle that is going in that way, I've made my own. In the tutorial, it's a bit different. It's just, it goes sparks. I know it's blurry, but in the tutorial, it goes like, just like that. And we made it go fall down. That thing we did yesterday, actually. Let's see, restart this. Okay, so now all together. Okay, that's really nice. Okay, and now I think I would like to make that explosion happen over time. Like, it is spinning, right? But I want it to go for like 2 seconds. I think that's something the tutorial is not doing, so it would be interesting to do. So yeah, instead of it being gone after like 0.5 seconds, let's make it go after 2 seconds. Let's see how that will play. Yeah, okay. We still have to work on the dissipation here. This has to also be 2 seconds, I think. So we'll have it go like a laser beam. Yeah, we have it work differently than before. Yeah. Okay, so what we will do here is now work on the dissipation of the z-axis and make it longer, and then goes away maybe with a pump, like a bit of a... Let's see how that looks like first. I want it to go like how to describe it? I want it to go small, big, small, like this. But now it's small, big, small. I wanted to have a bit more time. Let's see how that looks like. Okay, this is not working out for us. I think that overshoot is killing it. We need to keep it on like that, I think. Maybe the overshoot should happen here. Wait a second. It is something weird is happening. Let's just see how that works. I think it will be shorter now. Yeah, that is too fast, definitely. And too abrupt. Let's see if we could make it softer. Yeah, let's see now, just from the timing. Yeah, we still have to work on the color of our lifetime and make it dissipate way later. Okay. Let's see now. Nope. Can I work with this? Wait. Okay. What we will do now, we'll take those particles out. We will make them play and emit a lot. We will make them emit like the laser is hitting for 2 seconds, right? Let's make it actually longer. We'll make it 3 seconds because then we can play with it a bit more. Let's make it 3 seconds. Okay, restart. Yeah, we still have to work on the size over lifetime here and the color over lifetime. I think with the size over lifetime we could make it. Let's see. It's still, because it's still doing. Although the thing is doing a different thing here. Okay, Okay, let's go back to the particles. We wanted to do that they are constantly beaming, right? So, or happening or emitting. So let's go with okay, let's see. How to do infinite, right? And restart. Yeah, okay. That is better. They're stopping because of the time. Duration should be 3 seconds. So there is no wait. Let's see how 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost 4 seconds they're playing. This could be enough. I will make the count way less. So we'll go to something between 50 and 70. We'll restart that and see how many of them are getting emitted. What we'll also do is, I like how in the beginning it's bursting like a huge burst, right? Like an explosion. But I would also like to make the velocity a bit different. So 0.1, 0.2. Let's see what happens. It's kind of dope. Okay, we will need, how else? What else can we do to make it look like laser beam? We need less particles, I feel. Like way less. Let's try 20 and 50. Let's see what happens. Restart. Yeah, and it's spreading way too big. So what we would do is find the reason why it's spreading so big. Maybe is it the speed? Let's check that out. This is so cool. Okay, we'll play that again. Maybe together with this. Let's see. Okay, there's way too many particles. They're way too big. I think we could make them spread a bit more. That's fine. 15. It looks like a small volcano. Completely, yeah. But what I'm looking for is, I'm looking for something smaller, you know. So we'll get there. 15. But it's interesting. Yeah, it's interesting how those things work, right? You change like one thing and then you have a whole different effect. I love that. I love the like how many varieties you could have. Okay, let's do that again. Let's see where we are. Keep forgetting. Okay, so that's way too many particles. We could all agree on that. Let's go with something 20, 25. How would that look like? Still a lot. So we will go with, help me. We'll go 5, 7. Size still need to be changed. It's still a lot. So that's good. Good for performance, I guess. Let's try 3, 4. Go with even 1 to give more variety. Okay, 1 and 2. Just trying different things. Okay. And give it more speed modifier here. Yeah, that thing goes really crazy. So 2 and 2, 5. How would that look like? Slow, right? Yeah, it's not that slow. Okay. Let's play together. Okay, almost there. We have something going on. I kind of feel like we could definitely use some stretch billboard. Did it on all of them. We could use some stretch billboard here. Where's the render? Here. Okay. Stretch billboard 0.1. See first. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's kind of nice. What is it missing? It's missing the shape, I think. We could play with that a little bit. Let's go with the shape and let's go with the radius. Okay, let's try again. Okay. It is doing something, definitely. It is way too many particles happening at the same time. I'm not sure if, yeah, you can't really do that. I think the interval here could play the role that we want it to play. Here we go. That is what we want. Okay, so we want now to increase the particles. Okay. Yeah, now we have less particles. We could see things. Okay. We will just play it to test the timing. Yeah. So what is happening is here it's going crazy and then the explosion is so underwhelming and I want that to be overwhelming, if anything. So it's missing this explosion and kind of it's also missing a bit of how to say it. It's missing some like laser beam that shows that something will happen here now, right? So what I would also play with now is I don't like that we kept this on like value like that, basically, because I feel like we could play with it with the size a bit. Let's see how that would look like. Cool. Let's see how that plays out just a little bit. Yeah, we don't need it to be super like wide, right? we want it to be a bit wide, not too wide, nothing crazy. What is happening here is, yeah, okay, it is staying on its, but do we want that? I just want it to be a bit bigger. So I'll go a little bit backwards. Yeah, okay. And we will add one. Yeah, we are on the correct. We don't want it to go smaller. That's not the goal, but this is good enough, I guess. It's the y-axis. Make it on the x-axis as well. Okay, and now we have to play with the z again because I don't like how it's going here. So also color over lifetime needs to be a bit different, I guess. Okay, wait, restart. It is very static at the end. I feel like we could still play with definitely still play here a little bit, like make an up and down movement. Let's see. Just don't want it to be too static all the time. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, okay. I don't want it to fade away. Not a big fan of fading away somehow. I think we could definitely have it like maybe scale down, right? Okay, so let's have the y-axis again. Add one here, 0. Copy that, paste it here. Let's see, restart. Good, but I like a bit of play here. Let's see if we could get that feeling. Maybe add a opacity thing at the end, just so you don't see that last part. Okay. And now we need to do the same scaling stuff with the laser, with the beam itself, which is this one. Okay. The color over lifetime needs to definitely be the same, like here. I'm gonna just put it here. Okay, now leave it. We'll just paste it. Okay, we're gonna play it again. Okay. We will keep it white. Okay, maybe gray. Getting a message here. Wait a second. Okay, all good. Gonna play that again. Okay, so it's too gray now. Gonna make it up higher a bit. Okay, and now we'll play this again with the particles. Too slow. Okay, we're gonna make those a bit faster. Maybe a curve even. Because we want it to go slow, right? And then super fast. Oh no, we want it to go fast and dissipate into slower. Let's see how that looks like. Okay, well, with faster, of course, I meant something like 30. Let's go again. Now they're going insane. Let's go with 3 for gravity. Okay, now 30 is definitely too much. We know that now. Let's go with 17. Restart. With the current gravity should be looking... Wait a second. This is giving the wrong impression. Okay, we will remove this constant. And we'll give it maybe... Let's see. Restart. Okay. And now we'll play this and this and this together. That's cool. Okay, I like it. Okay, so what we will do once this beam is going out, right? We have this time where it is going like super high here. And it's between second 2, 02 and 03. We know that now. We'll copy this and put it, sync it with this. And we paste it. And now we will play it again. Play everything again. See how it plays out. Yeah. Super cool. Wow. Cool. We made our own effect. See? Thanks for the motivation. So let's see. I feel like it still can use some stuff, like some oomph. We will give the size here. Yes. Thank you so much. Yeah, we kind of really need to make our own effect. Okay, I feel like this thing can be also bigger in the Z as it's happening. So let's go to the Z and give it that oomph here. Restart it. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. We will try all together again. Guys, what the hell? Okay, let's try it all again, all together. Some camera shake, maybe. Okay, wait. It's not working. Wait, let's hide everything. Let's do it again. Cool. Too short. First of all, I feel like we could give it an indication in the beginning. Wait, something's missing. We should play it again. Yes. Okay, wait. Do it again. Oof. Okay. We should definitely change the texture. We should take the other one, and I will make it right now as we speak. I'm back on Photoshop, so I'll make it as we speak. Just let's go back to practice here. Let's see. Let me think. I will do. Yeah. Okay, so we will do it without the stuff here. Do it without this effect that I introduced. This one. And, or should I just make it less saturated? Yeah, like less saturated, and then give it a white gradient at the start. Just so it's get together. Yeah. What we could also do is duplicate that layer here and take it upwards and now downwards. Yeah, just like this. Actually, it looks good. Okay. For now, this should be good enough. Now we will apply an image. Image, apply, image. Okay. And we will give it the same effects of filter, Gaussian blur. And then we will give this the same linear dodge add. So linear dodge add. And how much of a less value is it? 72%. 72. This will be the same. I mean, maybe we need less than that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's quite blurry for now. We will save it as JPEG. We will replace the one from the project itself, which is this one. Or no, it is this one. I mean, let's just do it. Doesn't matter. We'll do it. No, wait. Well, show in Explorer. Okay, cool. Copy that path. Paste that path. And now take the smoother one out. Okay, save that in. And now we should reload this and whoop, here. Restart. Okay. And now we have this thing there because we need to change this to sprite, I think. I think so. Yeah. Okay. Let's apply. Let's replay that again. It's actually a mistake I made in Blender, but for now, we'll just we'll just stick with it. Okay. Okay. It has a lot of artifacts on the top. We will eliminate that by adding little thing. We'll have the path again to texture. Good. We will enter that. We will replace it. And now we will have it again and replay that part again. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So again, display it. Okay. So what happened is it didn't save. That's why I'm confused a bit. Let's play it again. Yeah. Here we go. That's it. Good. So what I want a cylindrical laser that comes in the middle. We will work on that right now. What do we need for that? We need a particle like you told me, Vexord, before, which is not this one. Oh, I think I deleted it, so it doesn't matter. We'll make a new one. We'll actually do it right here. So we will go to Effects and Particle System. We will call this Vexord. Why not? Vexord Theory. Okay. Oh, not you, Siri. Siri thought I was talking to it. Okay. Let's go to, what do we call it? Okay. So first of all, we need the mesh. Then we need the proper mesh, which is the cylinder. Exactly. This one. And then we need it to act accordingly, which would be local. Now we would spin it to fit. Yes. Okay. And now what we need is to, first of all, give it a time and match the start delay. Let's keep that away for now. Start lifetime, let's also keep it for 1. And start speed, that's how fast it is. We don't need any speed for now. We need the emission to be a 1 emission, or even, let me think. Okay, so first, we also need a new material, and that material should be just white, and that we can get from sprite lit default. Let's see, sprite lit default. Actually, we need it to be in HDR. So let's take our own shader. F it. Materials. Okay. And now we will copy and paste that one. And we will call it laser beam solid. So it's just, damn it, solid. So it will have a white texture. What is texture? Where is it? Yeah, we're just gonna go with this one. And we'll put that material now inside of here. I will lock this so it doesn't go away. I will take the laser beam solid, put it in here. Why does it go over it like that if it's a texture? Missing something. I mean, generally it's not bad. Just why would it even keep that texture, right? If I change it to something like this. Okay, I think it has something to do with the shader itself that we wrote. That's fine though. I think that's not so bad. I just don't like that it doesn't loop behind it. Let me think. Damn it. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's just ignore this problem for now. We'll fix it later. It's just a material problem. We will what shape do we need? Let's make we don't need a shape. Yep, we don't need a shape. Good. What we'll also need is 3D scale, size. We will make the Z20, but it's scaling from. Ooh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Okay, now this will be. It will start to be an issue slowly. Okay, 10. Yeah, maybe 5. Give me a material that I could use. Maybe we duplicate the shader and we try to play with it until there is no masks or nothing of that sort. Materials, no. Go back here, go back to shaders. We will copy that, and now we will call this one solid, and we will go into the shader graph. We will eliminate the stuff that we don't need, such as main texture, delete, and we will, or wait a minute, I could actually make that main texture follow the texture that we want, which is not the default particle, but this one. And now we would save that, and then we would go back to the scene. I would make a material out of this. Material, we'll call it laser. Again, laser the thing is all over the place. Laser solid. Okay, I just changed the name a bit here so I can have it here a bit differently. We will delete that one. And now we'll take the, oh, look at that pink laser. Oh my god, it's amazing. Okay. What? Okay, oh, whoa. You need to save that asset. Save it, right? Here. Problem, right? What happens if I take that alpha out though? Like, I think that's the problem, right? Save asset, scene. Let's take it, put it here again. Okay, let's delete it again. Wait, is it the right thing I'm doing? Wait, shaders. Yeah, we'll take that one. It is that one, right? Yeah. And we will make a material out of it. Okay. Now we take this right here. Woo, we got it. Cool. Laser. Yeah, let's just call it a bit different so we can differentiate laser solid. Good. We take that motherfucker, we put it into the materials. We paste. Good. And we play with this now. Wait a second. Restart it. There is no delay. That's good. I think the size could use a way less. Okay, much less. 0.1. 0.5. Good. 0.05. Good stuff. We will put it on the ground. Yep. Okay. We'll take it out. We will give it a color. Make green. Yep. And now this will play together with the rest. Let's just see how it looks like generally from the size and everything else. Restart. Okay, and now we'll play with its size. It's definitely starting on a delay though. Wait, one effect is missing. It's kind of cool, but it's way out of shape. Okay, so I think its time is quite fair. Size, we could play with that a little bit. So let's see, we don't need a shape. Velocity over lifetime. We might need a color over lifetime, because I would love to play with the opacity of this thing. 0, 100, maybe not 0, but like this, 100. Just want to play with it a little bit. With this. Okay, and it will definitely come from 0. And this will happen again and again and again. Yeah, that's all we could do, right? Nah, it sucks. Okay. We will have it out, in, out, in. Have it play like that. Then eventually it will go out. Yeah, I think this we could use better. Yeah. In, out, in, then out. Okay, let's see how that would look like. Restart. Okay, it is just definitely just standing there all the time. Why though? Why is it not dissipating? Restart. Am I? Yeah. Okay, what is happening? Ah, okay, because we disabled the alpha. Okay. That could be very interesting. Okay. Well, good thing we have size over lifetime. Let's just play with that. It's kind of cool. We'll separate the axes. I'm actually a bit impressed by the progress with the original laser. Yes, always room for improvement, man. Let's go here. It will start definitely from 0. It will expand like, yeah, I like that. I will wait. At the end, it should keep its size and then just no, okay, and it's just go 0 at the end. Maybe have it stable and then it goes 0. Okay, start. Okay, the Z should basically what I would like it to do is I will break this broken and this have it go up super quick. Maybe that's too quick. Yeah, something is this broken? Yeah. Okay, so what we could also do, we could make it loop like that instead of playing a lot with the opacity and everything else. Ooh, I'm getting dizzy. Green tea. Take it easy a bit. It's too exciting. Okay. Then let's go. I like it. We'll copy this too and paste it. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes what I like about effects that I see in animes or something like that is that it grows and then it goes to 0 and then it goes again up. So it creates this really cool, what do you call it? Like, yeah, okay, let's try to copy it on the other axis and see what happens. Yeah, but it's happening too fast, right? See? Yeah, just like in the beginning. And what we could also do is make it, let's keep that. And we will keep it, wait a second, what is happening in here? No, okay, we will completely break this now. Both tangents free, and we'll just give it a line of not existing. Ah, fuck this. Come on, like this, just for a second. Come on, bro. Maybe you have jump and just not existing at all. How would that look like? Woo! Let's see. Paste. Yeah. I love that. I love this. It's good. Let's what else can we do? Because I'm just so bored of this scale like 0, 1, 0. Like I want something spicy, you know what I mean? I want something cool. And I kind of feel like we could repeat the same thing at the end. So as it goes down, it should create this. Can I copy and paste stuff? Is this possible? I don't think so. Not a timeline. Yeah, okay, we will have to do it on our own again. And it's better be done at the end. Yeah. I kind of like the difference now between the X and the Y because it's making this interesting effect. And what we will do now is definitely give this a 3 and lifetime of 3. Why is it? Okay, because of the emission. Okay, we'll keep that as 0. We'll do this here. Whoa. Look at that. Give it every 3 seconds. Okay, what I like is, what I would like it to do is to keep this more, I mean, let's see it together. Now it's without delay, of course. Now we'll add the delay of that is similar to this, which is 1.29. Let's play it all together. Maybe, you know what? Maybe this thing starts even before. So 2.5, because then we see the laser doing that little thing, right, in the beginning. Okay, so maybe earlier. 1. Let's see. Let's just test things out. There's no shame in testing things out. It's still too early, though. Okay, let's go with our 2. Yeah, let's try this. Let's try it. Let's do it. Zip. Oh my god. Yeah, well, first of all, you start looping, you motherfucker. Let's keep going. Okay, let's see. Okay, it fades way too early. How can we fix that? Any ideas? I think we could make it go up to 4 seconds, right? And this way it should fix it. Any new messages? No. Okay. We start. Okay, there's something with its initiation that is too late. Now that we made the, basically what we did is we extended everything, even the scaling that we did. Let's see if we can fix it by just changing some numbers. I doubt it though, because I think we need to eventually change the scaling curves. Okay, we definitely need to change the scaling. And I wonder if y'all seeing this, I like the, okay, it's definitely an anti-aliasing type of thing, right? Because when we were here, it was doing this Yeah, there was like just some particles left from the laser beam. But yeah, I wish to keep that effect, but I can't. At least for now with my technical knowledge. Okay, now the next question to be answered is why is it white? Why is it white? We don't want it to be white. Let me think about that. Getting a bit of a headache. Damn it. I need to eat something. What can I eat quickly? I'm really enjoying this. Let me think. Actually, just gonna write a message. Just checking with my wife when she will be home. Because then we could end the stream for the day when she's here. When are you here? Let's see. In the end, I need to eat something. Still have a bit of cake left, but damn. I don't like sugar. I'll just keep it like that. At least not in the morning. I also don't like cakes. Okay, so I think I can handle until 15. Let's see. I'm thinking about something I could eat like quickly. Maybe an apple. Yeah, an apple. I'll be back. Give me 2 minutes or something. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I found something in the fridge. You know when you open the fridge and then you find something? It's nothing significant or anything. I'm definitely a foodie. But this is a lot of fun, man. So it makes me even forget about food, which is a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. But now I totally get the life of developers. Vixord, if you're still here, what do you do? Tell me a little bit about you. What do you do? Are you a game developer or something? Are you a visual effects artist? If this is still good, honestly, I have no idea. It is still good. Interesting. Okay. Just gonna finish the apple here. Restart. Let's see. Got the most important part. Yeah, I think it's like taking away a lot of the effect, right? And I feel like it should start with the thing, right? Where does it? Okay. Pause. Here. It should definitely start before this happens. Okay, again. What am I doing? I can go with the playback time, right? That's amazing. Like, it should start at 0.74. This is exactly where it should start, right? So let's take it. Where is it starting? At 0.7. Let's make it start at 0.6 because it has to do this thing, right? Okay. And now let's see how it's going. Okay, again. Okay, we will play it backwards as such. Pause. Okay, well, yeah. Okay. Okay, and here it should definitely start with everything. This thing is starting way before the beam, and the beam should start before that. Those little microsecond things, they determine everything. Okay, finding some problems. Yeah, this should definitely be 2.5, and now we play, restart. Okay, everything together. Restart, pause. This first, and then this comes by. And I would like to give this a fade in. Where is it? No, not this one. Okay, not this one. Why naming things is important. Keeping track of things. Oh. Let's see. Start that again. Okay, so what we wanted is to give that a fade, right? We'll just do that. 0. Play everything together. Restart, pause. Playback. Wait. Yeah. Fancy. And one more thing is that I will make the green last a bit longer. Oh, wait. Wait, what happens if I take that value, make it a bit more neutral, and now I play it? Yeah, neutral is good, but okay, let's try this. Well, I'll definitely keep it here. Yeah, okay. We still have to edit the volume settings, post-processing volume stuff. Restart. Yeah, again. Yeah. Something I'm not so happy with. It's all becoming one thing somehow, right? Okay, pause. Let's see. Yeah, okay. I don't like how this one, right? Yeah. This one is annoying me a little bit. I feel like it could use more time off. And how does it play together? This thing is also a lot. Okay. I would rather it actually starting by here. Much better, I think, if it starts at 1.28. Let's see, delay 1.28. We play it all together now. Restart. Okay, one thing is missing is that it's going way too slow in the beginning, especially with the Z-axis. So we will go here. We will make it go way faster, like extremely fast, that you won't even notice it. Exactly. And now I want this break here to be shorter, and I want this to break. Oh, wait a second. Why is it going so much up? Okay, because of this. Yeah. I want it to all become way shorter, basically. Well, I hate that it's picking up different. I wish I could change that. Anyone knows a way for it not to show two things at the same time? Ah, wait. Ah, it's like light. You turn it on, you turn it off. Okay. Okay. That's kind of cool. All right, now I know. Now I know. We will copy that and paste it here. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, we will just compare them. Do it by hand here. All right, let's restart. Okay, good. Let's try again. Okay, we can't do that. We need we need just like a tiny bit of adjustment here. Let's do it at 2. Because then maybe we have the laser first. Okay, we needed to have a shorter break, basically. A much faster climax. And now we have to do the same thing over here. Shorter anticipation or climax. And we see how it goes. Okay, what we need also is to give this still a value like before. Now together. Okay, so what I really annoyed by is how big this is. We seriously need it to be a 2 or something. Way too big. Restart. And we needed to relax for a minute, I think. Second, a microsecond. All going too fast. Yeah. Oops. Let's see. We can fix this. We just need to focus a little bit. Let's give it a bigger of a break. And here too. Bigger of a break. Right there. Okay, that's kind of cool. All right, we'll play again. Okay. And now we need to give this started at 0. Okay, let's see how that will work out. Okay, we will need it to start at 0.7 then. Wait, what did I do then? Ah, okay, 0.7. Let's see how that work. Ooh, look how much in sync that is. Amazing. Okay, I still like this to be way smaller. I want to give the particles way more attention. Yeah. Okay. Look what is happening here. When the particles are gathering, I feel like it could start even here, right? Like here. This needs a bit of a delay. So 0.55. Okay. This one should start actually like 0.55 or 0.5 and have the, let's play it a bit. Okay, wait, let's pause. Yeah, okay, and the laser should hit right there at 0.6 because it makes so much sense. We might need a microsecond now of shift. We need a microsecond of shift. Wait a second. And so let's focus again. Okay, restart, pause. Yeah, that is going way. It should dissipate exactly with it. Like by now, 0.89, it should be gone. So 0.6, it should be gone, right? So let's play that again. Restart, pause, playback speed. Now let's skip that speed to 1. We're not gonna play with that. Okay, go again. Okay. This looks good, man. This looks good. Okay, we're gonna play that. Camera shake. Okay, we restart it. Okay, I feel like we need just a microsecond of adjustment here between. Okay, let's just play that again, just to know where the beam should be gone. It starts at 0.6, of course, like that's what we decided it to be. It goes away by 0.8. It should come back at 0.12, which is 3. What was it? Okay, let's just try 0.3. This one too. Okay, let's try that. All together, restart, pause, playback time. Yeah. Too late. Okay. We will just take it a little back. Okay, wait. Let's have them together. Actually, it's quite helpful. Yeah, okay, let's try that together. We will restart, pause, playback time, and let's go. Okay. One last thing to adjust is this thing. It should really be gone by now. Like, it's taking so much time. Can we please, dear God, have you gone? Please. Yeah, restart. Yeah, it's gone way too fast now. Okay, wait a second. Is it gone too fast though? Okay, maybe it made it more prominent now to do that trick. What we needed is actually to play with the size over lifetime. This here, and we needed this curve to actually establish the dissipation way earlier. Okay, wait, we're doing some stuff here, like that. Maybe that's what we need, right? And we need it to go before its time. So we will copy that. We will paste it here. We will play that again and see. I feel like it needs to be gone by now. Let's just see how it plays together. Okay, we need a delay. The particles need to catch up with the other stuff. And we need that thing to barely show almost all the time. We'll say play again. I don't like how it's interacting with everything. Okay, we will play it back now. Very slow. I feel like it benefits better. Looks kind of cool. But at the same time, we need those sparks to keep going a bit longer. Like, we need them that much different. Or maybe a 5. Let's see. Yeah. And the speed needs to increase quite a bit. Let's see. All together now. Going way too fast. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is everything is happening at the same time. I think we need to stage this. There should be a bit more staging going on. So this first, then have the ring afterwards. We need this a bit more. So the start, not that bad. Maybe we have it gone earlier, like we said before. Let's see if we can get rid of it. Yeah, let's see again. That's super cool. Okay, I need to seriously change the PPV. We need way less. Okay, we need a bit. No, come on, why is it so big? Unity. Okay, so what we will play with is the PPV, and we will see ways to reduce it a bit more. Density is good. Threshold needs to chill. And now we'll play it again. Whoa, what is happening? Okay, restart. Really like that anti-aliasing effect. Okay, and now we need to work on the particles out. I think they need more, like, we need more energy. Go 20. Let's see. Yeah. What else can we do to make him explode like all of a sudden? Wait a second. Back. I got a call. Mic on. Okay, good. Let's continue. Restart. Where were we? Okay, the particles, I said they need a bit more, right? Let's give this 1. What would happen now? Okay. Let's add a new one. Here we go. And it should start at time 0, and it should emit 70 particles. And it should do it only once, and 0. Yeah, 1. Exactly. Restart. Oof. Yeah, that's the impact. That's like the poof. Okay, that's good. 80. Let's see, restart again. Yeah, okay, 100. Come on. Yes. Okay, we're gonna play all of them together. Yeah, I like it. Okay, and now we will play with the size of this thing. 1, 1. Let's see what happens. Yeah, okay. 0.8, 0.8. Let's see, restart. That's way too big. We're gonna go 0.5, 0.5, and play again. All right, amazing. Cool, now we play everything together. Okay. How do I make the laser to be behind some of the effects? Is this possible? How can I make it render behind the other effects? Yeah, okay. When I make a sort mode in rendering. Okay. Let's go. Sort mode. Okay. By distance. Oldest in front. Youngest in front. By depth. I guess it's by depth. I mean, it's so no, you can't say yet. What? Okay, let's try a different color. I think it worked. Let's see. Thanks for the tip. I would like that to be green. because I think there's less green in the effect. Maybe like a light green. That's too light. I can have it interactive here. Intensity. Okay, let's have them together. Yeah, the moment the intensity gets more, I'll try a different mode until it works. Let's see. So sorting. What is it? Sorting mode. Let's go by distance. Is what it used to be. Oldest in front. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Not working. Let's try a different one. Why does it change the moment I make the intensity? The moment I change the intensity, it changes. Let's see. It never changed really. It's just it was there the whole time. Okay. The problem was there all the time. Or was it now? Let's just make it more prominent. Now we play all of them together. Yeah, I need to make it a whole different color just for testing. Okay, here you go. We're getting something. There's some sort of blending, and I think it's a blending problem because we have an add. I like the pink, by the way. I think we're getting the result, honestly. But if we both now go and take a look at the shader, which is it should be here. Solid, yes. I go to the blending mode, which is I think it's in the graphic settings here, and it's additive. I think that's why we're getting that add effect. Like the whiter it gets, the more white you get, or the brighter it gets, basically. It's not super bad, but we might need to change it to something else. Nah, not save as save. Let me know if this is like valid what I'm trying to say here. Yeah, now we're definitely getting less of that effect. But we're still getting it because the materials in front of it, the shaders of those materials is actually a thing what is called. They are additive or add. They have this add material. And I'm wondering now how I could change it. This is such a cool color though. Such a cool color. See this? Maybe. I love that blue here. I just gotta see a bit of a darker color, how it's gonna look like. Yeah, it's less now. So the brighter it gets, you can change transparency of the material, I guess. In the shader, you mean? Or do you mean the transparency of here? Like, nah, you mean the material. You must be meaning this here, right? Opaque. Restart. Let's see together. Okay, now I will give it a lighter color. Something like that. Okay, we're gonna restart. Okay. Looks already better, but let's see. Wow, you got it. Thanks, man. Thank you. Thank you so much. We got it. Awesome. I'm gonna just make it more intense. Let's see. Yeah, I will change the color. Believe me. Okay, now it's still you were on it. No, on the material. You have the color spectrum. Well, okay. Let me check. I think I know what you mean. Like here and right here. This. But now the material is not transparent anymore. Yeah, okay. I'll do it that it's... Actually, I didn't save. Or did I save now? Okay. Save asset. Go back here. And shake it out again. So here. If I change this to here. And this... I mean, I kind of like the effect though, right? It's acceptable. It looks good. It's not like it's not looking good, but if one to achieve the other way around, to achieve the other effect, I don't like the size as well, so I have to work on that. 0.3, 0.3, and we will just play them together now again. I really like this. I think it's too pink, but let's see. Okay, we will try to play with it so we get the other way around, the result that we wanted to achieve. So what happens if it's 0% transparent though? Nothing. With this effect, no, it doesn't. Okay, with making it 100% without changing anything. No. It's still this, or does it? No, it's still the same thing. So I'm just trying things now. Stay with me. If I save that, right, and I play it again, what would happen? Still the same. And that's because the material of all of those effects are still transparent plus additive. That means in order to change the effect, I need to remove the additive in the material, which is here. And I will just try that now. I'll change it to alpha. I'll save that. I'll go back to scene, play it again. Yeah, that's what we're getting. Okay, now at least we don't have that mix anymore. And we'll keep it on transparent. We will take that just to see what else possibilities there are. We're still getting the black. Additive, it will remove the black of the texture, basically, right? That's its job. Yep. Okay. But it will also add everything behind it. How do I remove that if I would wish to remove it? Let's think about it. In Photoshop, if you would have it, the only way to remove it is, well, we could differ the render layer, right? How do I play with the layers? Render layers. I guess it should be here. Sorting fudge, right? Let's go with this. Renderer. Nope. Render layers. Okay, let me check. So, reading is not my forte. Let's see. Mesh distribution, mesh, smart materials, sort mode, sorting fudge. Render alignment, flip, enable mesh GPU instancing, pivot, visualize pivot, masking, apply active color, cast shadows, motion vectors, sorting layer ID. Here. Order in layer, right? Yes, is correct. And let's give it a 1. Let's play again. Okay, it's not changing much. Maybe because I changed the fudge with the fudge. Now we're gonna play it again. No. Okay, so there's still something with the layer. Layer ID maybe? No. Oh, right? Oh no. Oh wait, we kind of need layers. We need to add layers, right? In order for it to work, right? No add. No. Okay, I'm going back. Let's see. I'm gonna take a bite. Feel like I'm destroying something. I'll wait for your reply. I'll take the chance to promote my Twitch. Please follow if you enjoyed the stream so far. We will end it up in 10 minutes probably. All right, so we have a new thing. In this case, you can only use the layer number, I think, but it's something to do with the color of the fire material. I also think so. I also think, but yeah. Okay, let me play with that. It's this one. Yeah. Okay, let's play with that a little bit. Let's take the intensity down, much more down. Go with 0 for now, just to test things. It's all very interesting anyway. So, okay. And now, let's play together. Yeah, you're right, it's way too bright. That is the problem. However, I don't mind the effect so much. And since we will end soon, I'll just end with some nice effect. Even if it still looks good, but not doing, like, it would be interesting how we could make it work. You can see like the effect goes first white and then it fades into the pink again. Now, okay, let's just find the right color for this. We have orange, we have green. Let's either make it this or that. Let's see what happens if we play it. I kind of really like the red that was going on before. Let's do red. And I really like that color. We're back to the pink, damn it. Yeah, let's try that. Ooh, restart. Lovely. I still don't think it fits. Just trying some crazy ideas here. The pink is quite fitting actually, which is funny. We'll try more neon colors. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Hell yeah, right? This looks good. We just have to adjust the beam beneath to keep it on. That looks good. Yeah. For now, we'll keep it on pink or red. Let's see what happens. Orange. How does orange look like? Just curious. Yeah. Let's give it a go. That's too bright. Too bright. 2.5. Okay, now we maybe can test green again. Yeah, that's too uniformy, you know. Ooh, that's very nice. Nice, we got it. All right, I'll apply all of this. Also apply all of this. Wait a second. This should be... Oh, fuck. Wait a second. Did I? Oh, no. Did I? Yeah, okay, that's good. Keep it like this. We'll go to prefabs and we will take that one. Make its own prefab. And we keep that one as its own prefab, of course. Separate them. Not interfere too much with each other. This was this effect that we've done. Good. And this is the laser beam variant of it. Okay. What we could still do is keep this as gray and give this color lifetime. And now remove this shenanigans that we've made before. Okay, 100. Just keep everything on 100. Maybe have it fade away at the end. We would have this color to be red. This color to be, yeah, similar to the color we had before. Let's see how that works together. Everything. Kind of cool. But of course, we have to change the colors as well from everything else to make it go red at the end, which will make it look amazing. But this is the thing, right? Yeah, okay. And now we just add here a super bright red to compensate with the other effect, and then we should be good, I think. Right? Give it a try. A very colorful effect right here. Yeah, okay. Something is happening here, which is interesting. Yeah, okay. We're getting a very interesting effect at the end, which I don't want. I think, is it the alpha here? Is it different? Let's check here. Make this a bit more intense. Let's see what happens if we make it more intense. Pause. Playback speed up. Okay, playback time. Okay. It's still kind of cool though. We also need the particles out to have color over lifetime. And that color over lifetime will have the same color over lifetime like we have in here. We'll copy that. Is it? No, it's a bit different, but we'll keep it the same and we'll change it again. Paste. Here white. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Goodbye. Yes. White and then white. Oh, wait a second. White. Yes. Wait. White. And then at the end it will turn. Everything should turn red. Let's see. This would work. Restart. Yeah, that didn't work. It's fine though. I think we would need to change the color here to white for it to work at the end, right? Okay, try that again. I think I know why it's not working. Yeah, okay. Just to try. Let's just try it. Let's see now. Play. Yeah, that would not work. We need it a bit different. How would we make that happen? I'm sure there's a way. Restart. Play. Okay. The out needs to finish before 2.5 because when the effect is going less, it needs to also get less. Yeah, and maybe now we can experiment with velocity over time because we just didn't get introduced to it yet. Oof. Yeah, okay, let's try it. Velocity over so now we did. Limit velocity over lifetime. Okay, that sounds good. Let's see how that works. Okay. That's it. The stream is done then. Thank you all for joining, and this video will be uploaded on YouTube, the one before as well. Take the chance to follow if you haven't yet. I'll be streaming tomorrow at the same time. Thanks for joining again, and I will be leaving now. Thanks a lot, and